model, 60-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6TDI 102PS metallic grey, needs clutch bargain grin. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 146470. MOT, 14 October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6TDI 102PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Selects all the gears perfectly. The engine sounds mint and has no warning lights on the dash whatsoever, but just has very little drive. The clutch needs replacing instantly. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: part service history, parking sensors. EU status, Euro